Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, for you, I have a review, first impressions, swatches of the Child eyeshadow palette that just launched with Colourpop. It is a collaboration with the Mandalorian, Disney. Get the vibes. I really love the color story. I feel like it really goes well with literally like everything that's in this photo is kind of like what I'm getting here. And I really love the greens. My favorite eyeshadow to work with is green. It's my favorite color like in general with anything, and I just really love this palette. I knew I had to have it as soon as it came out. I'm a huge Star Wars fan, Disney fan, Mandalorian fan, so this was a must-have. The process of getting it, the checkout was a little tedious, but it seemed to be a little better than the Hocus Pocus one. I don't know if this is going to return. I believe it is. It's just out of stock right now. But I think they are going to do a restock from what I remember them saying. But if they do, I will let you know in the description down below, like the next time they restock or anything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video at the end if you guys do like it. If you guys have any other reviews that you guys want me to do on certain products, let me know in the comments down below and I will gladly do those. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be going in with the Colourpop and Mandalorian collaboration, and the palette is called The Child. This is what the palette looks like. I really love the shades in this palette. I will throw up some swatches right here. Let's just get into the tutorial. I'm going to be going in with just like a Tatooine, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. I really enjoy Colourpop eyeshadows. They're really great and really easy to work with. I'm just going to keep packing that on to get it to the desired intensity that I want. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit just so you guys can see more. This is a really beautiful transition shade. Okay, so I'm not really too sure what's going on with my camera, but we will continue. So just like I said, I'm just packing on this shade. I'm blending this out as nicely as possible. If you guys can hear my son in the background, he's just waking up. So he's kind of just chilling in the crib right now. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here, which is Float Your Crib, which is like a very dark mossy green. And I'm going to put that right underneath that transition shade I just used. And now these are pretty. There's like a lot of kickback. If you guys can see, there's a lot of kickback here, and probably, yeah, there's a lot of fallout. So it says why I always do my eyes first. So I'm just gonna use this. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. And it's blending so nicely into the transition shade. This is turning out really nice. I actually really like this. It's kind of similar to a look I just did, but this definitely pulls off more. This definitely pulls off more green than the other. For the lid shade, I'm gonna just leave it like this. I have really been enjoying like not cutting my crease lately. I just think it looks a little more like effortless, and I don't know, I just like how it looks better. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Right Hand Mondo, which is this beautiful shade here. I'm gonna go in with a brush first. I always like to test these out to see if the brush applies well, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. So it did apply nicely with a brush, but I feel like it'll apply better with my finger. So I'm kind of just layering this first layer onto my lid, and then I'll go in with my finger. So it looks pretty vibrant with the brush, but I'm sure I can get it more vibrant. Do you see how gorgeous the shade is? Yeah, see, doing it with your finger gives it more of a metallic finish to it. Does have like a lot of fallout. If you can see, like, that is a ton of fallout. So I'm gonna go back in with that green, which is Float Your Crib, and just make sure this kind of like blends out seamlessly, so there's like no harsh line. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I went and I did my other eye, my liner, and the rest of my foundation. So now I'm gonna go in and do the under eye. So for the under eye, I'm gonna go in with this middle shade here, which is called Baby Face, and just kind of like pack that in under my eye. I really like this shade because it's like a very pastel shade, so it gives like a look, like a very nice subtle touch. And so then for a liner, I think I'm gonna go in. Can't remember if this is a shade I used in my previous lid. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade and see how this looks, just to give it like a very vibrant pop. It is like a neon green. This is a cream gel liner in Electric Daisy. I think that gives like a really nice pop of color. I've really been into like making the waterline pop out more with bright, vibrant. I think that gives it like a really cool like galaxy type effect. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my lashes and mascara. Go ahead and curl my lashes. So I'm gonna go in with these lashes right here, and these are Red Rum, and they are from RIP Lashes. I need more lashes. If you guys have any lash brands that are affordable, let me know in the comments down below so I can check them out. These are really affordable. These are like $10 to $12 a pair. And like that's the most I will pay for lashes. Like I just can't justify paying $22 for some lashes anymore. Okay, so these are the lashes. I actually really like these. They're very dramatic, and I feel like it's just really perfect for like a Star Wars Mandalorian type of vibe. So I figured I would just go in with these. These are really, really nice and dramatic, like I said. So then I'm just gonna add some mascara to the bottom lash and do my lips. I kind of want to go for like a brown for my lips, like okay. So for the inner corner, so lately I haven't really been doing an inner corner, but just for the sake of today's video I'm going to. I'm gonna go in with this really like icy white shade here, which is called Precious Cargo. Let me just put this in the inner corner. Okay, it comes off more yellow than white. I think that adds like a really nice finishing touch. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with a very dark brown. I'm gonna get very vampy, very sultry. I think. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna go in with my Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in Mudslide. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with Boss Lady, and this is a one of the Gerard Cosmetics Hydro Mattes. It's like a very deep brown. Okay, so the lip actually came out looking better than I thought it would. I actually really love how the look in total is. Like, the lip just kind of pulled everything together. Like, that's how I feel. Like, I'm just really, really loving this look. The last thing I have to do is set my face. So I'm going to go in and set my face with the Slay All Day shade in Dreamsicle. You guys already know I douse myself in this stuff. That's how good it is. So I'm going to go do my hair and I will be right back. Okay, so I kind of just threw my hair into a ponytail because it's a wash day for me. Like, I have to wash my hair tonight. So it's really, really oily. So yeah, we're just leaving it in a ponytail. But this is the final look, you guys. I actually really, really liked the palette. Although it does have like a lot of kickback, like more than my other Colourpop palettes. So I don't know if maybe they weren't pressed well enough, or that's just how the shadows are supposed to be. But there was definitely a lot of kickback, especially in the Float Your Crib, which is the dark mossy green. I had like a lot of fallout on that, and I also had a lot of fallout with the glitter, as you guys saw. But all in all, I really loved the color story to this. It is definitely the child, and I really loved this palette all in all. Like, I'm a huge Star Wars fan, Mandalorian fan. Although I haven't seen it all. I have seen only a few episodes. But I do really like it, and yeah, the palette is just very, very cute, very small. It like literally fits in my hand, and the detailing is really, really cute. So yeah, definitely happy that I was able to purchase this palette. The next Colourpop review that I will be doing, hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, is the Raw Beauty Christy collab. I am so excited for that. By the time you guys see this video, I probably would have already placed the order for it if I am able to get it on launch day. So keeping my fingers crossed that they have a smooth like payout, like a smooth checkout process, because for this one and for the Hocus Pocus one, it was a mess. But definitely A1 on this palette. I believe they are gonna bring this back in stock. They never said it was a limited edition, I don't believe, but I will leave the description down below, like if they do have it in stock or if they're gonna do a restock. It'll be in their information down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell so you are notified every single time I upload. I upload 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays, anytime between 3 and 7. So make sure you are notified. I have a ton of videos coming out that have already come out, so my last 2 videos will also be linked down below if you guys would like to check those out. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!